How would you feel if you would wake up one morning? You get up, make your bed, make yourself a cup of coffee, and of course the most important meal of the day. While you are having breakfast, you check your phone without even knowing that you made $1,500 while you were sleeping. It is what I want you guys to feel every morning for the rest of your life. Hello and welcome to our channel with another video. In today's video, we will use a couple of websites to maximize our profits and wake up with a nice amount of money every morning. I am well aware of what this website can do, and I have proved that this method can pay off. All you have to do, download some files and later enjoy the good life. But my question to you is, what would you do with that much money? Let's say you just earned $1,745. You feel good about spending that money. What would you do? Would you get a nice car? Would you go on a vacation on the beach or the mountains? Would you like to invest in good food, maybe go to a restaurant? Would you save up and invest in Dogecoin? That would be my personal favorite. Or would you save your money and not spend it at all? Let me know in the comments below. If you did not already subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I am going to show you how to mine Dogecoin on a Windows 10 PC. So this can be done on any Windows 10 PC. You don't need to have a crazy graphics card or anything else. It's a beginner's way of getting started and learn to mine Dogecoins. There are a few things that you are going to need. One you need is a Windows 10 PC. So here we are at the desktop. The first thing that we are going to do is create an exclusion rule. So Windows know that this file is going to be safe. So we are going to create a new folder by right-clicking on the desktop. Go to New and Folder, and since it's called Unmineable, I'm going to call the folder Remineable. I will move over here in the corner. Then we are going to our Start menu, and inside the search, we are going to type in Virus and Threat Protection. It should come up right away there. It is at the top. We will click on it, and in here we are going to scroll down. We are going to manage settings under Virus and Threat Protection. Then here we are going to scroll down to Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusion. Now we are going to click on Add an Exclusion button. Click on Folder because we are adding a folder. Now we need to find this folder on the desktop. So we are going to navigate here to the desktop. Select the folder. Select folder, say yes to the prompt, and there we go. It's popped up. Now we know this folder will be in the rulebook to manage and exclude files in it. You might still get a prompt. It doesn't always automatically do it, depending on the files you put in here, and later we will show you what happens in the video. So we are going to open up our browser. Now we are going to download the Unmineable tool. So we are going to type in Unmineable in the Google search. It's going to be the first thing. The official URL is unmineable.com. At the top, you can see that there is a download link here. You can click on it. If we scroll down a bit, we have the packed and unpacked version. We are going to be downloading the packed version, which is the first link here. You can click on it and it will automatically download. If it doesn't happen right away, it depends on what browser you are using. So back at the main page, you can right click on it and then say Save As. So that's another way if it doesn't download right away for you. And then it will download. You can see we already have it here. Okay, so now we can open up this folder, the zip file. And what we are going to do is, we are just going to show. Now we are going to open up the compressed file. So here we go. So we are just going to drag and drop it in here. We will let it copy over, and then we can close out of all these extra windows we have open. So now we can go inside our folder, and here is the executable file. We have to double click on it. It will open up, and we need to do only a few things when we are setting up this program. Okay, there we go. It's loading up now and we will minimize the other screens here. Okay, so the first thing that we have is the agreement window. We can click on continue here and now we can either use your graphics card or CPU. Now if you have a perfect graphics card with lots of RAM in it, go ahead and select that we are using a low-end PC. So we select CPU and then click on the next. Here you can type in the coin that you want. We are doing Dogecoin, but you have many different coins that you can use. We are going to use this one and then you are going to enter your wallet address. Now remember, at the beginning of the video I told you that you need a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you need to install it because you need the coins to be deposited somewhere, which is your wallet. What we will do is, we are just going to paste in our wallet address here. Then below it, you have a little link that says, I have a referral contain. This is the part where you don't have to do this part. It's optional. But it's going to save on transaction fees. So, we are going to provide our referral code which is right here. So, there we go. You can see that you are saving 0.75%. That's what I was explaining about using the referral code. So, you paste it in and then click on start and there we go. So, it's automatically going to start mining. We are done. So, it's going to start mining the coins using your processing power to do the calculation and then it takes a little piece of that transaction fee. It's going to keep it aside for you to be deposited in your wallet. Now, the only depot makes a deposit after 50 Dogecoins have been collected. Let's quickly take a look at the setting where there is not much. So, we will click on it right now. It is selected as low, so the intensity is down. It's not going to be using a lot of CPU power. If you switch it to high, it's going to increase the power, decrease the hash rate. It's going to mine more coins, but it's also going to increase the intensity on your computer, which means slow things down. If you are planning on multitasking it, I don't recommend high. But if you are going to leave it idling like I am, then you can leave it as high. If you switch it to low, that means it will be running in the background, collecting money for you, which is not a bad idea. Before we finish up here, I am just going to show you the website and just a few things you can check while you are using the tool. So let me open up the browser here and I will expand it all the way so you can see it correctly. This is what you currently have reached as a balance. Then you can have it pay. Once you have reached the minimum of 50 Dogecoin automatically into your wallet, so you can have it set up or you can set an amount that you want to have it sent to. I will show you a history of your all payments as well. You get your referral code to use and you can also give it to other people. And then you have a history down here to show how much you have been mining over time. That in a nutshell is how to use Unmineable on a Windows 10 PC to earn some money. I hope you get some worth out of this video and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well as click the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be certainly upgraded. Click the like button. If you have any issues or points of view about the video, leave a comment below and I will see you on the next videos.